Hello, everyone. My name is Emmeline Petigat. I'm an associate with several years of experience advising the art market, and today's webinar is going to be an introduction to art law, managing the risks. Following the sale of Leonardo's Da Vinci Salvator Mundi in 2017 for a record $450 million, it will come as no surprise that prices in the art market can skyrocket. The Art Basel and UBS Global Art Market Report 2025 recorded an estimated $57.5 billion in sales in the global art market in 2024. However, purchasing art on the art market is not without risks. Generally speaking, the risks can have three possible sources. One, the object itself. So the object may turn out to be something different than what was advertised. Two, the stakeholders involved in the sale. So one of them could be in breach of its legal duties. Three, the transaction itself can be a source of risk. For example, by acquiring a particular work, the buyer is not getting all the legal rights he would normally be entitled to. And in today's webinar, we'll be covering these risks. So as I said, I'll provide an overview of the risks that can affect the sales of fine art. But just as a fair warning, I won't be touching upon the sales of digital art, as this may add another level of complexity, and this is for another day. So let's take a look at the outline. The webinar will cover the following. Buying and selling unique artworks carries risks that are specific to the category, age, and origin of the artwork, and we'll be looking at how to manage those risks through due diligence. We'll then look at selling at auction versus privately and what the pitfalls may be. We will also be looking at how much the law protects the buyer of fine art. And then we will cover the remedies available to buyers and sellers when the provenance, authenticity, or attribution of a work is questioned.